right there?
Yes, that's the one I feel most of the time.
Okay, so we're going to work on that one first. So take a deep breath in and out all the way. Good.
My name's Kay, and I'm in sales, and I have been having problems forever. Knee, hip, ribs, neck, all of it's out of whack right now. And ears.
Pulling down. How'd that feel?
I felt it.
You felt it pop?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my God, I swear, I love the ears. I can hear better. I promise. I promise.
3. There we go. Go and stand up, move around.
Okay. It definitely feels different, but I don't have word choices for it at all. I know.
You're speechless, that's why I'm
I
here.
am. You left me speechless.